See no changes up ahead, still taking back home things you said. I toke on a smoke all night, just trying to get it right. But the last time just took its last ride. I guess I'll be alright. I'll be on my own. I spent the last 3 days just trying to play it safe. Safe was the only thing I want. Changes come and changes go, just like the love I thought would never stop to grow. But the silence has let me know I'll be on my own. Didn't even see it coming, didn't even see it coming. I should've just kept on running, just should've kept on running from the lies and the alibis were told. You can't grow a rose out in the cold. I'll be on my own. Seasons change right out the blue. The winter nights bring a cold, cold chill. But that sun always comes up and casts a shadow on the hill. But it don't change the cold inside this heart of mine. Didn't even see it coming, I didn't even see it coming. I should've just kept on running, I should've just kept on running from the lies and the alibis were told. Can't grow a rose out in the cold. I'll be on my